I know. They've been bothering you for days, haven't they? So, the past couple of days, we've had 2 nutty dogs. And this is why. Hoping they don't fly away as I open. Every so often, these 2 doves land and sit right there. Thus making my 2 go nuts. Are they taunting you, Momo? Are they taunting you? Yeah. They're just sitting there, you know. They're not doing anything to you 2. They're just sitting there. What have they done to you? Right now they're sort of quiet. They were barking for a good 10 minutes before I got the camera. But I'm sure the doves will be back tomorrow to taunt the puppies.